Which one will win? You ask which one will win. The one I let breathe, or the one that lets air in.
It was your spirit that captured me more than anything. The happiness and kindness you share with every person around you has me falling more in love with you every day.
We spent 17 hours together. I was really afraid. I was so afraid to not see you anymore. I got back to Brazil so insecure, half and sad, and without a piece of my heart because you stole it.
I will forever be grateful for the sacrifices you have made for us to share our lives together.
The best thing about our relationship is because I love you who you are. And there's nothing better than be with you. Nothing.
I vow to help you keep your spirit forever, to cheer you on as you jump into the pool as many times as you want, to hold you when you are sad, to give you strength when you are weak. I vow to pray with you when you are happy and pray with you when you are weary, because more than anything, you have showed me that with faith, anything is possible, and that love wins always.